तेरा वो गेट खोल दो ना. हाँ खोल दो, लाइट आता ना बाहर से. Hey guys, welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi, and today, after ages of having promised this video, I'm doing a video on teenage skincare routine. Yes, it's been a very long time. So there are two things that I've kept in mind while doing this video. Number one, that if you're anything like I was during my teenage years, chances are you're looking for something really affordable. I mean, I remember I used to be broke like almost all the time. I think that's the case with almost all teenagers out there. So the products are either extremely affordable or there are very easy DIYs because you may not have that kind of time with your school and college and things like that. So affordable products and DIYs. And number two, teenage is actually a very tough time for your skin, genuinely a very tough time for your skin because of the hormonal issues and the lifestyle. So whatever I will be recommending today is usually very safe for sensitive skin as well. But whatever you try, if you have never tried it before, patch test. Okay, patch test is very important. So yes, let's look at what the teenage skincare routine is going to be all about in this video, and let's get started. Now before you even start with the skincare routine, I want you to understand your skin type first. Even if you think you know your skin type, listen to me very carefully. Now what happens during teenage years, guys, like I just said, hormonal issues are there. During your teenage years, there's a good chance that your skin type might change, okay? So for instance, if you're born with very dry skin, chances are that by the time you hit puberty, your skin suddenly gets really oily. So while you think your skin is dry, the truth is that now your skin is oily, it has changed its type. There's also a possibility that you develop an oily T-zone, which is your forehead, and this area gets oily, the rest of the skin is normal or dry. That is called combination skin. So there are four types of skin: normal, dry, oily and combination skin. Know your skin type and then proceed. Now talking about face wash, of course you need to wash your face twice a day, morning and night. At night, just before bed. Pick any face wash which is right for your skin type. I'll put a couple of names in the description box below. I don't want to mention any brands right now and make this video too long. But I will definitely give you a hack if you're not happy with what the face wash is doing to your skin. If you want a brighter looking face, just add a little bit of cinnamon powder and sugar to your face wash at least once a day. I'll put a video link in the description box below where I've actually done a video on this topic, so you can have a look. Next, talking about face masks. Now ideally you should use a face mask once or twice a week, and I'll give you a very quick recipe. Take a little bit of neem powder, haldi and multani mitti and just mix these ingredients really well. Add a little bit of water if you have extremely oily skin, add a little bit of milk if you have dry skin, and of course you have to make your changes accordingly depending on whether you have a combination skin or not. I highly recommend this face mask to all of you out there because it contains neem, which helps in fighting acne, haldi, which has amazing antiseptic property and can take care of your skin even if you go out in the pollution, and multani mitti will deep cleanse in your skin, close the pores and just give your skin a nice finish. Alternatively, if you don't have time for a DIY, I'll put a couple of product links in the description box below where you can check a few other options out. Next, moving to scrub. Well, here's a quick DIY for you. Just take some oats and rose water for oily skin, and if you have dry skin, mix oats, rose water and milk. If you have very dry skin, you can also add a few drops of coconut oil to the scrub. If you have pimple prone or very sensitive skin, you can also add a few drops of green tea water to the scrub. Massage it very gently on the face and wash it off after leaving it on for about 5 minutes. One of the most amazing things about the scrub, guys, is that even after the first use, right after the first use, you'll see that when you're scrubbing your face, the dirt, the grime of the face is actually getting stuck on the oats and falling off. It's a little bit gross to think about, but when you actually see that happening, when you see your face getting cleaned that quickly, it feels very good. Having said that, since you're a teenager and your skin is still developing, please do not use a scrub for more than once or twice a week. Ideally, you should just use it once a week because your skin is very tender and still developing. So use it once a week, or if your skin is very dirty, use it twice a week, but that's about it. And now moving to hydrating your skin and moisturizing your skin. Well, really just depending on your skin type. Okay, like for instance, if you have dry skin, you will need to use moisturizer twice a day. If you have oily skin, you can use moisturizer once, and you can use hydrating serum once. You can just find a permutation or combination that will work for your skin type. But I will suggest that for hydrating your skin, use aloe vera gel. If you want, add a few drops of rose water, but that's about it. It keeps your skin really hydrated. And for moisturizing your skin, well, there are lots of moisturizers available in the market. But for very, very dry skin, you can simply use malai or milk cream. That is only for very, very dry skin. Take just a little bit of malai and apply it on your face. You will start seeing an enormous amount of difference in your skin. Now, I get a lot of questions regarding facials and facial for teenagers. Well, there's no perfect or no correct answer for this because like I say, every skin type is different and also every product is different. But in general, this is what I would suggest. Now, if you're comfortable using an egg on any special occasion, if you want an instant glow, just take that egg, the inside of inside of an egg. The white part is for oily skin and the yellow part is for dry skin. Okay, so just take a little bit of that, apply it on your face and wash it off after it dries off, or just peel it off after it dries off. Believe me, you will start seeing an instant glow in your skin. If you're not comfortable using an egg, here's another very quick hack for you. Just take the peel of any fruit. Personally, for me, papaya is probably my favorite fruit for this. Just take the peel of papaya and just rub it on your skin for a couple of minutes and then just wash it off. It works like magic on the skin, guys. It just makes your skin glow and look brighter and happier. And the best thing about both of these options is that, guys, they're like very natural. And last but not the least, let's talk about sunscreens, because I think sunscreens are very, very important for the skin, especially when your skin is still developing as a teenager. And most teenagers can be very outdoorsy, either because of school and college activities or because you are going out with your friends and having a fun time. A lot of it is outdoors. So for sunscreen, I love the Neutrogena sunscreen and I love the lactocalamine sunscreen because they are very good for the teenage and for the tender skin of your age. If you want, you can also keep them in your purse at all times if you're an extremely outdoorsy person, and if you sweat a lot, there's a good chance that after you apply sunscreen, 5 minutes into the sunlight and all the sweat and everything is gone. So keep a sunscreen handy. If you sweat an excessive amount, you can also keep in handy a sunscreen powder. And finally, guys, here's one last very important tip for you all. I'm sure you already know this, but I'll still repeat this, okay? Try to stay away from harsh chemicals and chemical based products. Use natural stuff for two reasons. Number one, natural stuff, natural ingredients, they actually work. Take it from somebody who has used all kinds of expensive luxury brands available in the market and has also used DIYs. I genuinely believe that DIYs can work as well as some of those really expensive luxury brands out there. You aren't losing out on anything, and I'm just telling this to you because when I was a teenager, I wish somebody had told me that. I saw some girls in my school with amazing skin, and when I asked them what are you using, they used to say, I'm using this, I'm using that, and I'd be like, okay, that's like my 1 month's pocket money and one face cream. So and I used to feel really bad about it. But then now that I'm a grown up and I'm a beauty blogger, now that I know better, I know it for a fact that DIYs work. And also DIYs are safer for the skin, and as you grow older, you will realize that your skin actually just needs a lot of pampering and a lot of love. And chemicals don't do that. So I'm not saying that chemical based products are like horrible and you should never use them. It's okay, once in a while it's fine. But don't say no to DIYs just because you want to try out something like this and make yourself miserable if you can't have those. It's fine, it's just fine. So yes, that's all I want to share today, guys. If you have any hacks, any tricks of your own to share, or if you have any questions for me, please write them in the comment section below. I try my best to respond to the comments. In case I miss the comments, which I know happens a lot, believe me, it's never intentional. It's just that it's difficult for me sometimes to answer all the queries and respond to all the comments, but I do try to help people as much out as possible. So yes, and if I can't come and help you out, I'm sure somebody else from the viewers might be able to help you out. So that's also a purpose, right? So yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share this video with all your friends, and follow me on my social media for more. And now I'm done. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye. For instance, with facial, like what I have seen is that a lot of facials are like very natural. So those तारा फ्रिज खुला हुआ है, फ्रिज का गेट